Alright, Durham College students, to kind of go over what we've covered today. We're really into phase 5 of our phases. We did from recommendations, doing the sitemap and wireframe, to design production, and now we're in phase 5 implementation, taking the design, building it in XHTML and CSS. So, here we go. First thing I like to do, right on screen, let's see if I can see this as well. Here's my mouse. I like to go to and create, let's say, a new folder, and I like to call that folder whatever website I'm working on. In this case, I'm going to call it Mad Success. Okay, and then inside that folder, what I'd like to do is start building my other folders. So, for example, I need a folder that's images. Okay. I'll need a folder that's going to hold my CSS. I may need another folder for my JavaScript, so I made a JS folder. If I have any PDFs, make a PDF folder, etc. So, for a good starting point, we're just going to start with our CSS and our images folder. Now I already have my images, so I'm just going to bring them right into here, and there we go. So I'll show you guys. So these are the images I'll be using for this site. Okay, there we go. And going back one level, I'm going to need to create a CSS file. Oops. Let me get rid of that. Text file, I'm going to call it screen.css. Okay. And make sure we got our images there, good. And we need an index file. So, index.html. Okay. Now I have my pre-existing basic code structure that I'll be pasting in, which is, the basic HTML strict doc type and format, etc. I already have a title in there. I'm just going to get rid of it for this example. And it won't let me save it. Why not? Alright, let me try something here. Okay, I'm just going to use index.html. Oops. Voila. Okay. Simple format for folder structure. I'll zoom right in there, you can see. Okay, it's a very basic layout. Of course, once you start building other HTML pages, then you need to create those, but always the first file begins with index.html. And from there we go into our code editor. And this example, I'm going to be using something called Zend, which allows me to code some other languages, but I use it for HTML as well. You guys will be using Text Wrangler. That's what we've been using all semester on the Mac. So let's go ahead, let me just get set up here. Okay, excellent.